So there we have the new front end. A little bit of swarf there. So I had to drill out where the two screws go. So in here, normally there's three screws that hold the base on and then they screw to that, but there's no way that these would fit on there. So I just got long screws and drilled out 2-3 mil holes, and in she went. And I've gone the opposite way around. So I've done the indicator here and the park light up here, so the indicators are close together here. I'm going to be doing something about this one shortly as well, but yeah, it'll be upgraded. And we've got the intensities on, bang bang. So they're the spotties, and if I can do this with one hand, just take the covers off. There we go. There they are. And I've just gone taken that off and put a black. These are aluminium, so I've taken that one off and put a black one on there. It comes in the packet, and left the red one on there. And on the other side here, there's a red here and black here, so kind of like something a little bit different, maybe, so it makes mine just a little bit different to people come the other way, and they might be able to recognise me, who knows. And yeah, there's the other side there, looking good. So the front end's coming along well, and inside the engine bay, I don't know if I've done a update on this lately, so that's coming along really well too. So I've got the high mount Marks for drive adapters, alternator kit, and right down the bottom there, I don't know if you can see that, is a Sandon S7 compressor for the air conditioning. I took apart the air conditioning and split the cases and had it all pressure tested, and a new TX valve inside on the I can never remember what it's called, condenser I think it's called, for the evaporator maybe, for the air conditioning. And also at the back there pressure tested and I think they slightly repaired it as well, the heater core as well. So that's all back in. And our 6 litre sitting in there nice and pretty. Steering's in. Yeah, just got to take the wiring off now and make my own wiring harness and make the engine computer. I think I'm going to put it underneath the driver's seat. Seems like a good spot for it. But coming along well. And the airbags are in for the front and the rear. They're just sitting in there at the moment, so I just have to pump them up manually. Waiting for the bloke that sells the height control systems, or the valve control system, measures height and pressures, to come back from holidays. Then I can order that from him, and then it'll go up and down on its own accord. It's getting there. It's getting there. Anyway, more to come.